Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the logos from like a company on Google Sheets easily. Type in this formula, equal sign, image, then you're going to type in concat, and then you're going to type in this URL. So add in a quotation mark first, https logo.clearbit.com/ quotation mark comma, and then select the website, close parentheses 2 times and press enter, and it's going to enter that logo, and you can do it for everything, and it's going to add that in, which is pretty cool. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!